Whisking in the vinegar, a simple cooking technique explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a common phrase you might encounter in cooking recipes or culinary shows. Whisk in the vinegar. This phrase might sound straightforward to native English speakers, but for those learning English, especially when it comes to cooking terms, it can be a bit perplexing. So, let's break it down together, making it easy and fun to understand. The phrase, whisk in the vinegar, combines two key actions, whisking and adding vinegar. To whisk means to beat or stir, usually a liquid, with a light, rapid movement using a whisk or fork. The purpose of whisking is to mix ingredients smoothly or to incorporate air into the mixture, making it light and fluffy. Vinegar, on the other hand, is a sour-tasting liquid made from the fermentation of ethanol, alcohol, commonly used in cooking not only as a preservative but also to add flavor. When a recipe instructs you to whisk in the vinegar, it's guiding you through a step-by-step process. First, you need to have your whisk or fork ready. Then, as you pour the vinegar into the mixture, it could be a salad dressing, marinade, or sauce, you simultaneously whisk it vigorously. This action helps to blend the vinegar evenly throughout the mixture, ensuring that its flavor is well distributed and that the texture remains smooth and consistent. Whisking in the vinegar properly is crucial for a few reasons. Firstly, it helps to emulsify the mixture. Emulsification is the process of combining two ingredients together that normally don't mix well, like oil and vinegar in a dressing. A good whisking ensures that the vinegar integrates thoroughly, preventing it from separating later. Secondly, this technique can also enhance flavors, ensuring that the tangy taste of the vinegar accents the dish just right, without overpowering it. And that's it. Whisking in the vinegar is a simple yet essential technique in many culinary preparations. By understanding what it means and why it's important, you're one step closer to mastering the art of cooking and expanding your English vocabulary in a practical, delicious way. I hope this explanation clarifies any confusion and makes your cooking adventures even more enjoyable. Happy cooking, and see you in our next video.